Hi guys, my name is Ezequiel Guzman and I'm going to explain you about the book, The Christmas Eve of Encarnacion Mendoza. This is my outline, the author. We're going to see the history about the book, the main themes, characters, and conclusion. Okay. First, the author about Encarnacion Mendoza is Juan Bosch. Juan Bosch was a Dominican writer, politician, teacher, and apart from that, he was born in 1909 in La Vega. In the other hand, Juan Bosch was a president of the Dominican Republic, but was a shorter time because he had a hit of a government called the Triunvirato. Juan Bosch always, when he wrote, he focused in the people, in the people justice, and let me see. Okay, people justice, love, and the human. Let's see. History about well guys, that I learned about this book is that Encarnacion Mendoza was a farmer that killed one guy called Capo Morales, and he had to run away to the police because if he had that situation with the police that she murdered that people, but he has a wish that was he shared with his family the Christmas Eve. But for that situation, Encarnacion Mendoza had to hide in the day, because the police always have finding to her and have a persecution with that guy, Encarnacion Mendoza. Apart from that, Encarnacion Mendoza always wished to find his family in Christmas Eve because it's like a costume that he felt in her heart that sharing with his family. What happened that all the people know that Encarnacion Mendoza was wanted, and he had to always hide on the day, but in the night he hide in the sugar cane. Always was in the sugar cane, but Encarnacion Mendoza one day was in the sugar cane, and one children called Mundito that has a dog as watch, saw the Encarnacion Mendoza like asleep, but Mundito believed that Encarnacion Mendoza was dead, and he know what was the consequence about that. And Mundito, when he saw Encarnacion Mendoza, run to the General Ray and told him that Encarnacion Mendoza was in the sugar cane. The General Ray searched all the men and find Encarnacion Mendoza. Encarnacion Mendoza running away a lot, but the General Ray and his men shoot him, killing Encarnacion Mendoza and ending his life. Continue. When he finished the life, Encarnacion Mendoza finished his dream of sharing with his family, and for that situation is named the Christmas Eve of the Encarnacion Mendoza. Maintenance. The maintenance drive the tradition family. Mendoza have to want to pass that day with his family in Christmas. Apart from that he was a murderer or a criminal, he has feelings for his family. Justice and violence. He is marked for a murder when he killed the Capo Morales. That was the main hero of the Encarnacion Mendoza, and always he's gonna be running away for the police. The fate and tragedy. Even Mendoza fight for his goal, his ending was sad. Encarnacion Mendoza fight for sharing with his family, but all that effort was impossible because was killed for the general way. And the human dignity, even the fugitive Encarnacion Mendoza, wants to hug his family. This show humanity, love, and freedoms. Well, guys, the conclusion about the story about Encarnacion Mendoza is that the family don't care if you are a bad people, don't care if you make a big mistake on the life. The family always gonna be the most important. You always gonna have feelings for your family, for your daughter, for your wife, for your brother, and whatever you want. And that's happening in the Encarnacion Mendoza. Encarnacion Mendoza died for his family. Because if Encarnacion Mendoza decided to be quiet in his jail, that's all not gonna be happening to him. And that's that I learned about this interesting topic that one must focus on. And nothing is just how this guy. That's the book about Encarnacion Mendoza.